Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, Do Not Disturb. Here you can switch it. You can also change some of its settings. For example, like you can set sounds and vibrations that will be turned on with the Do Not Disturb mode. You can set notifications if you want to see any visual notifications or not. You can also add exceptions for calls, for example, for a specific contacts from anyone or for no one. The same goes for messages. And you can also change its duration here and set its schedule. Schedule is the time period when the Do Not Disturb mode will automatically turn on and turn off. And you can also switch Do Not Disturb mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.